today's camping day. I'm in my this bikini thing, and then I'm wearing this short, and then my bikini under this too. So yeah, right now I'm charging these two guys, so I can charge it in the car because it's like an hour and a half away. And then this is my bag. And then there's like my clothes, shoes, sandals, toiletries, notebook, toothbrush. Olha, Anthony, faz. Turned to lots of nuts, which I can't really see too much because there's a lot of car plaques. Because the car's parked like where I'm working. So that's where the tent, and then that's our trailer. I've been in the pool all day long since I got here, and I got here at like, there was no traffic, so I got here at 1:40, and then we set up everything. We set up the trailer in 10 minutes, and then we took about 15 to build the tent where I'm gonna sleep in. This is for the adults, and the kids sleep in the camp, and then only 2 adults are gonna come sleep there because not all the adults fit in the trailer. So yeah, I went to the arcade too. So I went to the pool, and then I went to the arcade for like 10 minutes, then I went to the pool. At the arcade I got 5 rubber duckies. I'm going to show them later. But I am going to try to find my sisters somewhere. Or my sister. And then my cousin came out of nowhere. She's like, oh, can I go to camp with you guys? I'm like, okay, sure. And then she already brought like everything ready. And I just took a shower too. I'm wearing my nipple for heart shirt that I got from school, a short from Justice, an olive shirt, and then brush my hair with it. So that's my time. It's like at 10. I'm sorry I didn't film because I left my phone inside the trailer and I didn't bring it, but I went to the trail. I went to the bike trail and we went around the lake. And then when I got back, I went to I don't know, I didn't go anywhere. I just stayed here. And then I went back to the pool. Then I came out. Then I went to the arcade for a little bit. But I didn't get anything. I just watched other people play. Then I came back. I just went to brush my teeth. Now I took a shower too. Yeah, because I forgot to sleep. So see you tomorrow because I'm going to sleep. But this is the tour trailer. Yesterday, I went to the pool, and then I went bike riding to the lake, and then I went to play pool, and that's ciao. And then today we only went to the pool, and I rode my bike to the lake again.
E depois a gente foi embora. E agora a gente tá em casa. E eu vou dormir.
And then we got home, and then she sleeping. Anthony.
Ele é que é filho, ele que se...
Cow. Hey, cow.
Oh my god. Não.
A triple scoop.
What?
A triple scoop ice cream. 2 Oreo and 1 Casuda.
Did I ask them?
I'm talking to you.
You're talking to me. You're looking at me and talking.
I heard tell me. The kitchen area, that's a fridge, that's a thing, that's where the cleaning thing is. That's my aunt's bed, and then that's my stuff, my bag, and then my brother's bag, and then the emergency bag, and then down there has some things in case anything in this trailer breaks. That leads to this big open area where we can store things. This is the bed, which there's a table here, but the table goes like this is the table, like the table closes, and it turns into bed. The table and the sofa is closed. Turns into bed. This is where me and my grandma are gonna sleep. And then that's where the other part of the kitchen. That's where the food, forks, spoons, plates, cups, whatever. And then this has just like some like pots and stuff. This is our bathroom. You can take a shower here, but no one does. And then that's the toilet, which we will use a lot because my grandma goes every single night, like 3 times, and me too, because I don't want to have an accident. And then my mom's purse and my aunt's and the fan. This is where my mom and daddy's going to sleep. That's their bag, and then that's my brother. He maybe sleep on the floor, and then that's an extra bed. So yeah, and then under there, we just put our sandals. Anthony, Wiley, rapidinho, veio rapidinho. Isso é o quê? Para pro cego, deixa eu ligar a luz no meu.
Hi.
Where are your cotton candies? Stephanie, where are your cotton candies? Yeah.
What are you doing?
I ate my own cat. It's a milk nap tap.
Come here.
Eat it. Ano, pumagsilot.
Ask you to record me.
Sorry, her book, but yeah, that's it. That's the thing. They're opening up the trailer, and they brought Anthony's car. Oh, great. And mom right inside.
Slanted towards the
And
ground.
then that's where the tent
What do
is.
we do? So see, sideways.